Today we will create a new big AI fish movie that looks completely real and high quality. And the best part is that it can also be monetized because AI channels are already monetized. If you don't believe me, you can check the channel Moon Hindi Animation, which has 4.2 million subscribers. I just copy the channel name or link and paste it on Social Blade, and immediately it shows whether the channel is monetized or not. As you can see, I pasted the link, and it clearly shows that this channel is monetized and earns between 2.5k to 40k in the last 14 days. This proves that AI channels can generate good income, but remember, the goal is to create your own original work and not copy others. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to build such a channel and make unique AI content. So let's get started. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Every part of this tutorial is important. First, open ChatGPT, then paste this prompt. After that, I will give you my YouTube description. Just copy and paste it. When you paste the prompt, the AI will create a story script. You will see that the story is amazing and very well written. Once the story appears, then you need to write it. Please give me 10 image prompt, AD giant fish in every scene. After that, ChatGPT will give you a prompt for a real AI image. The prompt will be very good and the best. To create the AI image, you will use two websites. The first website is Leonardo.ai is a very good website for making AI images. First, open the website, then set the size to 16 point and type FIOX 1.0. After that, paste the prompt. In a few moments, the image will start generating. Keep pasting your prompts one by one. When all the prompts are pasted, you will see amazing AI images. From there, you can choose the images you like and download them directly from Leonardo.ai. This way, by copying prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them here, you can easily create beautiful AI images. Now all the images have been created, and you can see the results. If your credits on Leonardo.ai are finished, you can use another website called Piclumen. This is also a very good and powerful AI image generator website. When credits are over on Leonardo.ai, simply open Piclumen, set the size to 16.9, then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate, and within a short time, the image will be ready. Just like before, keep pasting the prompts one by one. On both websites, you can create free AI images very easily. Both Leonardo.ai and Piclumen are amazing platforms for making beautiful AI images. Next, we will create AI voice for free using a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, which you can find at unlimitedai.tools. This is one of the best tools for generating realistic AI voices, and it also gives free credits daily. If you cannot find the tool, just comment, and I will share the link with you. To use it, open the website, copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in the box, and then select any voice you like. Blaze Alex is one of the best options, but you can choose any. Click Generate and your voice will be ready. The tool allows up to 1,000 words at a time, so if your script is longer, you can split it into parts and combine them later. In this way, you can easily create free AI voices. And once the voice is ready, the next step is to make an AI video. For creating AI videos, I will use 3 different websites that allow you to make one AI video daily for free. By using these websites, you can easily generate AI videos every day without any cost, simply by copying your script or prompt and pasting it into the tool. The first website is called Diggin.ai, a very powerful and easy-to-use AI video generator. It gives you 300 free credits at the start, which you can use to make around 10 videos. And after that, it also provides daily free credits so you can continue creating videos without paying. For example, in my own account, I now have more than 3,200 plus credits because I've been logging in regularly for many days, and this allows me to create many videos easily. The best part is that even if you don't use the website daily, it will still keep giving you credits automatically, just like in my account. That's why Diggin.ai is a great website for making AI videos, and highly recommended if you want to create more videos for free. Now we will create an AI video on Diggin.ai, which is a very good website. After clicking on Create, go to Upload and first upload your image. Then paste the first prompt and click generate. The video will start creating. In the same way, you can upload the second image, paste the prompt again, and generate another video. This process takes a little time, but you can easily make 2 videos at once. Within 10 to 15 minutes, your AI video will be ready, and you will see amazing results. The second website is called Pixverse.ai, which is an excellent platform for creating realistic and cinematic AI videos very easily. At the start, it gives you 120 free credits. Earlier it was 80. And with a new Gmail login, you can get 120 credits to make around 6 videos for free. After that, Pixverse also provides daily free credits, which you can use to make up to 3 videos every day. This makes Pixverse.ai a very powerful and reliable tool for generating high-quality AI videos without any cost. On Pixverse.ai, simply click to start, then upload your first image, paste the prompt, and click generate. The video will start creating, which costs 20 credits per video. Once it finishes, you can see your completed video. In the same way, you can upload another image, paste its prompt, and start generating another video. Just keep uploading images and pasting prompts one by one, and your videos will keep generating. This way, you can also make free videos on Pixverse.ai. Don't worry, I will also show you how the videos look on all 3 websites. The third website is heroine.video, which is also a very good platform for making AI videos. The new rule on this site is that it now gives you 200 free credits daily. Earlier, each video cost 30 credits, so you could only make 3 videos per day. But with the new method, each video now costs only 25 credits, which means you can create up to 10 AI videos every day using your free credits. This makes heroine video a great option for generating multiple AI videos daily without any cost. On heroine video, just click to start, upload your image, paste the prompt, and then click generate using 25 credits. Your video will be ready in a short time. In the same way, you can upload another image, paste its prompt, and generate another video. As you can see, I have created free AI videos on both websites, and you can also use them to make amazing AI videos very easily. The results are truly cinematic and high quality. Now the videos are complete, and you can see how amazing they look on all the websites. For the final step, I use CapCut for editing, which is a very good and free software. It's simple to use and comes with powerful features like filters, effects, music, and transitions, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. After adding effects and editing, my video is fully ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to ask me in the comments and I will reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will share another useful method with you. Thanks for watching.